You can only solve your problem if you know what is exactly that you're solving, which means that you have to define your problem properly. So let me teach you how to define a problem, any subjective problem. Every problem has two elements. It's a situation and the reaction to that situation. So sometimes you have clients who come to you and they start talking, blah, blah, blah. I went today there and then did this to me, that to me. That person said this, that person said that. I was stuck in traffic. It doesn't matter. That is situation. In order to get reaction, we stop the client, we let him talk for 2-3 minutes, not longer than that, because after that he's just talking, and talking doesn't solve the problem. Because every time you talk about a problem, you make it bigger, stronger, and more involved into your psyche. It doesn't go anywhere. So with these techniques, it's not a talk therapy. F.A.I.R transformational technique is not a talk therapy. We don't talk about problems. We remove energy and emotional charge from it. So you stop the client after he explains the situation, and you said, okay, hold on. Tell me, how do you feel about that situation? And then client can say, oh, I feel sad, I feel mad, whatever, it doesn't matter. And then you say, okay, would it be fair to say the problem we're going to solve today is I feel sad in regards to this situation because that person told me so and so, or because I had a car accident, or God forbid, illness or anything. And sometimes you will have situations that a client comes to you and says, oh, today I'm feeling sad. Today I'm mad, upset, whatever. So what did they give you? They gave you reaction. And you only have one part of element of a problem. In order to know complete definition of that problem is you ask the client, okay, about whom or what are you feeling sad about? And then you have a complete definition of a problem. When you have when you define your problem, the next thing you're going to ask your client is, what is your goal? What do you want to accomplish with this session? So that we know what the goal is. And how would you know that this problem is completed as well? But that doesn't apply to F.A.I.R transformational technique, because through F.A.I.R transformational technique, you literally, the client knows that it's all completely gone, and it changes your subjective reality, because whatever you were solving, it's no longer a part of your life anymore. It's gone completely forever. So that's the benefits of the F.A.I.R transformational technique.